Have you ever found yourself in the peculiar scenario of cleaning baby poop in your dreams? Are you curious about what this might signify? Could it be a reflection of your emotional state or a symbol of your responsibilities? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of dream interpretation. Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you. A dream about cleaning baby poop can sometimes have negative connotations. It can be a reflection of your waking life's challenges and struggles. These dreams can serve as a mirror, projecting onto your dream landscape the burdens and pressures you might be dealing with on a daily basis. One possible interpretation is feeling overwhelmed by responsibilities. When you're dreaming about cleaning up baby poop, it could symbolize the multitude of duties you're juggling in your waking life. This dream might be a signal from your subconscious that you're feeling swamped, struggling to keep up with the demands placed upon you. It's like you're constantly cleaning up messes with no end in sight. Another negative interpretation could be avoidance. Just like cleaning baby poop is an unpleasant task, this dream might be indicative of messy or uncomfortable situations in your life that you are trying to sidestep or ignore. It's as if your subconscious is urging you to face these situations head-on, rather than sweeping them under the rug. High stress levels can also manifest in dreams of cleaning baby poop. The act of cleaning up such a mess can symbolize the stress and pressure you're under, suggesting that you're grappling to keep things in order amidst chaos. It might be a wake-up call to manage your stress levels and seek balance in your life. Lastly, these dreams can also signify feelings of being undervalued. If you're constantly cleaning up after others, both literally and metaphorically, without being acknowledged for your efforts, this dream could be a reflection of your feelings. It might be your subconscious nudging you to recognize your worth and seek the appreciation you deserve. While these interpretations might seem daunting, remember that dreams are often just a reflection of our subconscious thoughts and fears. They bring into light the emotions and thoughts that we might be suppressing or ignoring. So rather than being intimidated by such dreams, use them as a tool for self-awareness and personal growth. On a brighter note, dreams about cleaning baby poop can also have positive interpretations. They can symbolize personal growth, responsibility, and renewal. Let's delve into these positive interpretations, shall we? First up, we have cleansing and renewal. When you dream of cleaning baby poop, it could symbolize a process of cleansing and renewal. Just as you're removing the poop in your dream, you might be removing negative influences from your life in reality. You're making way for fresher, cleaner, and more positive experiences. It's a sign of transformation, of shedding the old and embracing the new. Moving on, such dreams can also reflect your sense of responsibility. Cleaning baby poop is no easy task. It requires patience, diligence, and a certain level of maturity. So, when you're doing this in your dream, it could be a reflection of how you handle and manage difficult tasks effectively in your waking life. It's a testament to your resilience and your ability to take ownership of your responsibilities. Next, we have personal growth and development. Cleaning baby poop in a dream can be a powerful symbol of personal growth. It's not just about the act of cleaning, but also about what it represents. It's about overcoming challenges, improving yourself, and evolving as a person. It shows that you're ready to take on the messier parts of life and come out stronger and wiser. Lastly, these dreams can symbolize care and nurturing. Cleaning up after a baby is a fundamental act of care. It's about ensuring the well-being of someone who is completely dependent on you. If you're doing this in your dream, it could highlight your ability to take care of others. It shows your nurturing side, your empathy, and your willingness to manage the essential tasks of daily life. So the next time you find yourself cleaning baby poop in your dream, don't be too quick to dismiss it as just a weird dream. It could be your subconscious telling you something important. It could be a reminder of your strength, your resilience, your ability to grow and adapt. It could be a sign of transformation and renewal, or a testament to your nurturing and caring nature. Remember, dreams are a fascinating window into our subconscious. They can offer insights into our deepest thoughts, feelings, and experiences. And sometimes, they can surprise us with their profound meanings, even when they're about something as mundane as cleaning baby poop. As you can see, even a dream as peculiar as cleaning baby poop can have profound and positive meanings. We hope this exploration of cleaning baby poop dreams has been enlightening. If you've enjoyed this journey, please do like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to read about your dream experiences in the comments. Don't forget to check our video description for bonus content made for you. Thank you for joining us on this dream journey. Remember, dreams are the touchstones of our characters. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring.